I'm CA Pankaj Jain, and in this presentation, we are going to talk about Section 194N of the Income Tax Act 1961. That is TDS on cash withdrawals from banks, cooperative banks, and post office. Section 194N was introduced in Union Budget 2019. Well, the purpose was obvious. The government wants to discourage cash transactions and promote the digital economy. When it was introduced in the Union Budget 2019, it said that TDS shall be deducted at the rate of 2% on cash withdrawals exceeding rupees 1 crore. There was no distinction between those who filed income tax returns for last 3 years and those who did not file their tax returns for last 3 years. However, Section 194N of the Income Tax Act has been amended by Clause 84 of the Finance Act 2020, and specific provisions have been made for cash withdrawals by those who have not filed their income tax returns in last 3 financial years. It says that TDS at the rate of 2% shall be deducted if the recipient, that is the person who is making withdrawals from bank, has not filed his returns for 3 years and withdrawal during the year exceeds rupees 20 lakhs but less than rupees 1 crore. And TDS at the rate of 5% shall be deducted if the recipient, that is the person who is making withdrawals from bank, has not filed his tax returns for 3 years and withdrawal during the year exceeds rupees 1 crore. In this manner, its scope of TDS on cash withdrawal has been made wider under the amended Section 194N. These new provisions will be applicable from July 1, 2020. One important thing to be taken into consideration regarding this section is that it applies on aggregate sums withdrawn from a particular pair in a financial year. That means if a person has multiple accounts with one bank, Section 194(1) will take into consideration the aggregate of withdrawals from all these accounts from one bank in a year. The section will apply to withdrawals made by any person. That means it would include an individual, HUF, a company, a partnership firm, an LLP, a local authority, an association of persons, that is AOP, or body of individuals. Besides, the central government may specify in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India by notification in the official gazette the recipients in whose case the provisions of this section shall not apply or apply at a reduced rate if such recipient satisfies the conditions specified in such notification. One very important thing is that TDS shall be deducted on the amount exceeding rupees 20 lakhs or rupees 1 crore as the case may be. For example, if Mr. X has filed returns for last 3 years and if he has made cash withdrawals up to rupees 1 crore, then no TDS will be applicable. In case Mr. X has filed returns in last 3 years and he has made cash withdrawals of rupees 1 crore, 10 lakhs, TDS shall be deducted at the rate of 2% on 10 lakhs only. That is the sum over and above 1 crore and not on 1 crore 10 lakhs. If Mr. X has not filed returns for last 3 years and if he has made cash withdrawals up to rupees 20 lakhs, then no TDS will be applicable. In case Mr. X has not filed all his returns for last 3 years and he has made cash withdrawals of rupees 30 lakhs, TDS shall be deducted on 10 lakhs only, that is the sum over and above 20 lakhs at the rate of 2%. In case the payee withdraws a sum of money on regular intervals, the pair will have to deduct the TDS from the amount once the total sum withdrawn exceeds the threshold limit of rupees 20 lakhs or rupees 1 crore in a financial year as the case may be. Further, to simplify the entire process, the CBDT has introduced a functionality on the e-filing website with the help of which the bank or a cooperative bank or a post office will be easily able to check whether the person withdrawing the cash is falling within the ambit of this section or not. The pair will just go to the e-filing portal of Income Tax Department, click on the link of verification of applicability under Section 194N, enter the PAN of the person withdrawing cash and a valid mobile number to receive an OTP. The users at the bank will select the checkbox, click on continue and enter the OTP received on the mobile, and that's it. a message will appear on the portal. For example, when the person withdrawing cash has filed ITRs for last 3 years, the following message will appear on the e-filing portal. TDS is deductible at the rate of 2% if cash withdrawal exceeds rupees 1 crore. Where the person withdrawing cash has not filed ITRs of last 3 years, the following message will appear on the e-filing portal. TDS is deductible at the rate of 2% if cash withdrawal exceeds rupees 20 lakhs and at the rate of 5% if it exceeds rupees 1 crore. As the taxpayer has not complied with the requirements of Section 194N. This new amendment is definitely going to boost digital economy in India. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button for instant notification of our next video. Thank you.